and I'm gonna be doing a review on the rival thingy. Here we go. And this is another Nerf gun. And I'm going to open it. Now let's look at the back of the box. And now you can see that this gun's pretty big and it was not cheap. And there is slam fire mode, the trigger, and it's high capacity because it comes with 30 rounds thing. And now let's open this thingy. Alright. Okay. Can't believe. Alright. Woo! The thing looks cool. Look at that. Oh. Okay, there's the instructions. Now, better get everything else out. This makes a weird noise. Here we go. Yep, fine. 1 second. Hey! No, mister. Alright. There's the gun. Just trying to get the back off. See how it's coming loose? It's coming loose. It's really hard to get out. I don't know why this thing keeps... Oh, it's already out. Okay, so this thing... For me, this thing is actually... Did you just hear that? Yep, I know how to do slam fire pretty well. Yeah, now... Now I better learn how, oops, I already know how to put this in. Okay, so as you can see here, there's a cover. So if you slide this back, it covers this part. So it is covered. And this is where you put in all of those little yellow ballies. All right, come here, little yellow ballies. And if you're wondering where my dad is, he is downstairs. Whew. Okay, 1 second. Daddy, someone's getting your mail? Alright, I just opened it. Gotta... Guys. Wait 1 second. These things smell good. I don't know why. Okay, there we go. Yo, okay, so this gun, if you get it and you're a 9-year-old or an 8-year-old, you would think this is pretty heavy. But it's not like exact very heavy. It's not super heavy, but it's like, yeah, you guys can carry it. Yeah, probably people under 5-year-old may say this gun is heavy. Sorry about that. You couldn't see me putting in all of these yellow balls. Do you wish that they're already in this gun? because it's already reloaded. Right, I'm guessing that you just put in one more. And let's just get 10 more that we need to get in here. Okay. As you can see, there is a lot of balls. If you got in the hurricane, if you got the hurricane, this thing would be that would be a pain. You have to put in like 90 little rival ballies inside. Oh, it comes with 3 extra. Yep, I know where the last one is. Oh, and let this one go all the way down. Whatever. Excuse me. I think I accidentally put a ball in here. Guys, the ball is not stuck. Okay, so I have pushed the ball. Yep, it's right there. It is complete stuck. Alright. Yep, it is stuck.
They put it in the mailbox, that's why. Oh, you got it? Hook it up?
Yep.
Just charge
Oopsie
my phone
poopsie.
for a minute.
There's a little extra one. Right there. Okay. There's 3 extra balls, guys. Do not put in these 3 extra balls. Number 1, I don't know what to do with them. Number 2, I think we already did the gun. Number 3, I think I might have to throw away all of these pieces of trash. Okay, now that's why. Oh, okay, 1 second, guys. I just gotta, you don't see me on the camera because I know you're in there. Oh, I think I might have got it down. Or is it still up there? Okay. So I think we're done. Ah!
What'd you do?
I shot it.
Be careful where you shoot it. Shoot it at this thing. The curtains. Did it work?
Yep, it just worked just fine.
Where do you load it?
Okay, there's one.
How come it's getting stuck though?
And there's 2. It's because if I fired it once, it fires it again. Oh, 1 second. Okay, now we did it. Now it's done. Okay, so we did it now. Okay, we just pull this forward. Okay, then you have to, okay, this is, okay, this, okay, I know what that button is for. Okay, so if you press this button right here, it puts it on automatic. Is it the safety trigger? Yeah, because I guess that is the safety trigger. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. They're all outside. I don't know the... Okay. Okay. Help me, Daddy.
What's wrong? Do you know how to operate it?
I think
Not. What's wrong with it?
it just turned. And now...
Hold on, don't shoot it there. Shoot at the curtain. What's wrong?
it's stuck.
Did you read the instructions?
Oh, it's right here.
Here.
1 second. I already know how to use it. Oh, wait a minute.
1, move the magazine slide all the way to the back.
That's why, and then insert all of the darts. That's what I did.
Load 10 chambers into each chamber. You did that?
Yeah.
10 rounds into... Move the magazine slide all the way forward. Look, here it is. All the way forward and press trigger lock on one side to unlock trigger.
Okay.
Did you do it?
Press what? Okay, I did. I pressed it.
Okay. Move pump handle all the way back.
I can't.
What are you talking about? That needs to go all the way to
I can't. Look, it's sting. It's sting.
It is all the way back, isn't it?
Yeah, it probably is all the way back. And then what?
No, it's not.
Oh wait.
There.
And then
There.
Oh,
it is.
and then
There.
press it forward, and then you can shoot it.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Hold on.
See,
Hold on.
It said to press it
No,
back.
don't shoot it there. Now the ready indicator should be... Ready indicator will
Oh
appear
yeah,
on the side.
right here.
Is
It's
that
up. It's up.
Are you sure about
At
that?
first it was
No,
down.
no. The ready indicator is...
It's right there.
Are you
It's
sure
up.
that's it?
It's up.
Okay. Wait a minute. The ready indicator will appear on the side of the blaster. Blaster will not fire if ready indicator is not visible. So
It
that's
is. It's right there.
Okay. Pull the trigger to fire one. Not that way. Just shoot at the curtain.
Ready? Wait, hold here. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Ready?
Okay.
Pull out the opposite way. Ready? Go. Wait, what?
It's not ready.
That's what it said. It was up.
There it is. Try that.
Oh, I just put it back down.
No, that's... Something's not loaded properly. Pause it.
Okay, so I figured it out again, and now we can do it correctly. Now look. It's already loaded, but...
Oh.
Shoot. And
It's loaded.
What's this? This thing to go forward.
It's loaded.
Like that?
Yeah, and then go all the way back. No. The other
I
one.
already did it.
Yeah, but this always goes back. That's supposed to be all the way back.
Oh, I didn't know
Okay.
that.
It's fast. Okay.
All right.
That is super fast, Matt. Now we'll go to the park.
Oh, where did it go?
Went on the side. That is super fast.
Where did it go? I don't know where it went.
You got it?
I think, can you put a flashlight under here?
Okay, hold on. Okay, that's how we're going to go to the park now. Okay, bye.